Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gluten-free is probably one of the most sought-after food categories today, driven by health trends and dietary needs. Navigating the world of gluten-free options can be overwhelming, but fear not. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of gluten-free products, exploring what makes them stand out, and helping you make informed choices for your pantry and your health. Get ready to discover some fantastic gluten-free finds. Number 5. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free 1-to-1 Baking Flour. Introducing a simple solution for gluten-free baking. This expertly crafted blend makes it easy to create your favorite treats without gluten. It's perfect for cookies, cakes, and more. This product is tested and confirmed gluten-free in a dedicated facility. It is safe for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. You can bake with confidence knowing it meets strict standards. Simplify your baking with this easy-to-use blend. Just swap it for wheat flour in your favorite recipes. It takes the guesswork out of gluten-free baking. This blend is made with superior ingredients and works well in recipes using baking powder or soda. It is designed to deliver great results every time. It's a great choice for everyone. This product is ideal for various gluten-free applications. Use it for baking, thickening sauces, or breading proteins. The possibilities are endless with this versatile product. What we like. This flour makes gluten-free baking incredibly simple. It's a 1-to-1 replacement, so you can use it in your favorite recipes without any fuss. If you're looking for an easy way to enjoy your favorite baked goods without gluten, you should definitely consider this. What people say. It has been used in baking, frying, etc., and it works in pretty much everything so far. I can bake and even make pancakes. I've used this for gravy, which is very nice. I may start baking bread again, and it's good to have this on hand. I cannot taste the difference between regular flour and using Bob's, which is good because the grandkids can complain if there's something different. Not in this case. 5 stars. Number 4. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Rolled Oats, pack of 4. Introducing a gluten-free option that doesn't compromise on taste. This product is made with whole grain rolled oats, perfect for a healthy and satisfying meal. It's a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. This product is handled in a dedicated gluten-free facility. It undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its gluten-free integrity. You can trust this product to meet the highest standards. There are many ways to enjoy this product. Use it as a crispy coating, add it to meatloaf or burgers, or create a savory side dish. It's a versatile ingredient for any meal. Ready in about 10 minutes, this product offers convenience without sacrificing quality. Stovetop and microwave instructions are included on the package. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy a healthy meal. Each serving of this product contains 5 grams of fiber and 6 grams of protein. It's a nutritious choice to help you feel full and energized. It's a great way to support your overall health. This product is tested gluten-free according to the highest standards. It's processed and packaged in a separate gluten-free facility. It's a trusted choice for those seeking gluten-free options. Bob's Red Mill has been a leader in natural foods since 1978. They are committed to good ingredients made with passion and expertise. The company is proudly 100% employee-owned. What we like. These gluten-free oats are a great source of fiber and protein, perfect for a healthy start to your day. You can cook it on the stovetop or microwave it for a quick breakfast. If you like a hearty and nutritious breakfast that's ready in minutes, you should try this. What people say. Great gluten-free product from a great manufacturer. Love getting a box of 4. Great supply for making my homemade granola. We use rolled oats for hot cereal, muffins, parfaits, and salad toppings. These are delicious and hold up well for all uses. I usually add a few scoops of these into my protein shake, but when I feel like chewing, I'll add in some goji berries and make some good old-fashioned oatmeal. If I have time, I'll do the whole overnight oats thing. I prefer these to the handful of other brands I've tried. No one signed up to eat a mushy paste, but these always maintain a good chewy texture. Number 3. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Baking Flour, pack of 4. Introducing a wheat flour replacement for all your baking needs. This expertly blended flour makes it easy to create gluten-free cookies, muffins, pancakes, and more. It's made with a unique blend of garbanzo bean flour, potato starch, whole grain sorghum flour, tapioca flour, and fava bean flour. This combination delivers excellent texture and flavor in all your gluten-free recipes. This gluten-free flour blend works well in recipes using baking powder or yeast. It's ideal for everything from soft sandwich bread to crispy pizza crust and homemade pasta. For the best results, use the handy measuring chart on the back of the package to add just the right amount of xanthan gum. This will help you achieve homemade perfection every time. This product is tested and confirmed gluten-free. It's processed and packaged in a separate gluten-free facility and batch tested in a quality control laboratory. You can trust it. Bob's Red Mill has been a leader in natural foods since 1978. They are committed to good ingredients made with the passion and expertise of their founder. They are proudly 100% employee-owned. What we like. This all-purpose flour is perfect for a wide range of baking needs, from cakes to pizza crusts. It's made with a unique blend of flours, delivering excellent texture and flavor. If you are looking for a versatile gluten-free flour that can handle both quick and yeast breads, you should choose this. What people say. Bakes beautifully with great texture and no weird aftertaste. Makes great bread and pizza dough, after you add xanthan gum, and fantastic brownies. Great texture, no weird taste, and it's a close 1-to-1 ratio. It is gluten-free and it bakes very well. The texture is like regular flour and I have not had any issues at all. Number 2. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Muesli, 4-pack. This muesli is a delightful mix of gluten-free oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Inspired by the original Swiss muesli, you can enjoy it hot, cold, or soaked overnight with yogurt for a nutritious start to your day. Made with lightly toasted whole grain oats, nuts, and seeds, it provides a nutritious boost of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. It's a tasty breakfast or snack that's lower in sugar than traditional granola. It's a good source of fiber with 3 grams of protein. This is a simple and tasty way to add nutrition to your breakfast routine. It's a great source of long-lasting energy to fuel your morning and keep you full longer. You can enjoy it in many ways: heat it like porridge, serve it cold with milk, or prepare it overnight with yogurt and fresh fruit. It's a deliciously simple cereal that can be enjoyed at home or on the go. This product is non-GMO project verified and gluten-free. It's made in a dedicated gluten-free facility and batch tested to ensure its purity. Bob's Red Mill has been a leader in natural foods since 1978. They are committed to good ingredients made with the passion and expertise of their founder, Bob Moore. They are proudly 100% employee-owned. What we like. This muesli is a delightful mix of gluten-free oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. It's a great source of fiber and protein, perfect for a nutritious breakfast or snack. If you like a simple and tasty way to add nutrition to your breakfast routine, you should try this. What people say. All natural, perfect amount ratio of ingredients and tastes great with hot or cold milk, soy milk, etc. Rob's makes a gluten-free muesli that tastes great and reminds me of the cereals I was able to eat as a kid. It makes for a quick and easy breakfast that keeps them full all morning. Just the right amount of sweetness from the dried apples and cranberries and added texture from the almonds and sunflower seeds. Always tastes fresh and healthy. Number 1. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Bread Mix, 4-pack. Introducing Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Bread Mix. This mix makes it easy to bake delicious bread at home. You can make sandwich bread, dinner rolls, or hamburger buns. With this mix, baking is simple. One package yields a 112 pounds loaf. It's perfect for both bread machines and hand mixing. Each package is designed to make a perfect loaf of bread. It's convenient and ensures consistent results every time you bake. This bread mix is gluten-free and can easily be made dairy-free. It's a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Bob's Red Mill is committed to wholesome goodness. They aim to make people a little happier with every bag of mix. What we like. This bread mix makes baking delicious bread at home incredibly easy. It's suitable for bread machines or mixing by hand. If you have food sensitivities or simply love the smell of fresh bread, you should consider this. What people say. This stuff is great since I have allergies to so many grains. I've baked this a good 10 times now, and it consistently turns out soft and delicious if you follow the instructions. I have tried many different brands, experimenting to find a GF bread that I could enjoy eating. When I discovered Bob's Red Mill GF bread mix, I was extremely happy. We got a 1-to-1 2 pounds bread machine last year for super cheap on Amazon. So far we were only able to make bricks using gluten-free, GF, recipes that came with the machine. After receiving Bob's mix, the results were exceptional. The bread is substantial yet has enough moisture to be soft and easy to eat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.